Connect the Salesforce Authenticator app for two-factor authentication. Follow these steps. Download the app. Install the Salesforce Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open Salesforce. Log into your Salesforce account using your username and password. Access Setup. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then click on Setup. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Setup menu, find and click on Security under the Administer section. Enable two-factor authentication. Click on two-factor authentication and then select Edit to modify the settings. Set up Salesforce Authenticator. Choose the option to enable the Salesforce Authenticator app as your second authentication factor. Scan QR code. Open the Salesforce Authenticator app on your mobile device and use it to scan the QR code displayed on the screen. This will link your Salesforce account to the app. Verify setup. After scanning the QR code, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code into the appropriate field on the Salesforce setup page to confirm the connection. Complete setup. Follow any additional prompts to complete the setup process and activate two-factor authentication using the Salesforce Authenticator app.